Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to send money online using MoneyGram in 2025. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything, from setting up your transfer to confirming your payment securely. MoneyGram makes it easy to send money without visiting a physical location. You can send funds internationally to family, friends, or business partners right from your phone or computer. First, open the MoneyGram app or go to the MoneyGram website. Choose the country where you want to send money. If the default country isn't correct, simply change it or use the search bar to find the right destination. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You can type it in either US dollars or the recipient's local currency. MoneyGram will automatically convert the amount so you can see exactly how much the receiver will get before sending. Then, choose your payment method. You can pay with a debit card, credit card, or directly from your bank account. Select how the receiver will get the money, either through a cash pickup at a local MoneyGram location or by direct deposit into their bank account. Keep in mind that exchange rates and fees may vary depending on your selection. When adding a new receiver, enter their full name exactly as it appears on their government-issued ID. This is important to make sure they can pick up the money without any problems. Some countries may also require additional identification details, so double-check before submitting. MoneyGram also reminds users to stay safe from fraud. Only send money to people you trust. Never transfer funds to someone claiming to be law enforcement or a government agency. Those are common scam tactics. Once everything looks correct, review your transfer details carefully. Make sure the name, country, amount, and delivery method are accurate. When you're ready, confirm and submit the transaction. After sending, you'll receive a reference number. Share this with your receiver so they can collect the money. For cash pickups, your receiver might also need your full name and the location where you sent the funds. And that's it. You've successfully sent money online using MoneyGram. It's fast, secure, and convenient for sending funds anywhere in the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.